At Headway Cardiff in South East Wales, we help people affected by acquired brain injury to rebuild their lives. Acquired brain injury can happen to anyone, anywhere, at any time, and lives can be changed in an instant. Headway Cardiff in South East Wales helps people affected by a brain injury to regain their independence and offers support to their families, friends and carers in order to help them adapt to a new way of life. We have a community services which operate in all of Cardiff and South East Wales, and they provide information and outreach support, social groups, activities groups and also counselling services. And our Independence and Wellbeing Centre is based at Rookwood Hospital that operates daily, that offers life skills sessions, social skills, and also everyone has an individual development plan. We've been nominated because of the significant impact we make with just a small team. Our service is holistic and tailored to every individual. We offer much more than just social groups, and we help service users to develop a supportive network and also access the local community. Headway Cardiff in South East Wales also provides support for families and carers, and we recognise that brain injury doesn't just affect the individual. We are proud to work with many great statutory health services and third sector organisations, and recently we've been influential in developing the Anaira Bevan's Community Neuro Rehab team. Acquired brain injury is often a hidden disability, and because of this, individuals often face stigma within the community and slip between services. At Headway Cardiff in South East Wales, we make sure no one is forgotten. Everyone matters. So vote for Headway Cardiff in South East Wales and help us to continue to improve life after brain injury.